Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and recover deleted iCloud emails? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let me just get straight into the video. So first of all, simply open any browser that you prefer using and search for iCloud Mail. Click on the first link right over here and make sure that you're logged in into your mail. Now, for example, let me just go ahead and delete that one email. So now in order for you to go ahead and get it back, all you need to do is just click on this trash button on the left. So what iCloud and most of the mails out there do is that they have a trash section. So all your mails that you delete firstly go to trash, and then it will be stored for 30 days, and if then no action is taken, then it's going to be deleted from there as well. But you can simply go ahead and move a message back. So you can simply click on move message, click on inbox and click on move, and now as you can see, if I go ahead and refresh, it's going to be back right over here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.